Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we are going to prep for a cash stuffing for the week. So I want to erase what we have here. And while that dries, let's go ahead and stuff this week's change. Let's see. That over. It's pretty heavy this week. Yeah. I think we're getting close to $100. We had 94, 96, something like that. Let's see where we are. 94.16. All right. All right, the ending total is $97.98. Can I find 2 more pennies anywhere? Almost at $98. Been saving since January 2024. Oh, money, money, money. I love the sound of money. Let's put that back. It's heavy. There we go. Okay. Now, we need to figure out what we need. We, of course, need the $135 for the wallet. We've done January, February, March, April, May, and June. We'll do July with the next paycheck. Save the date. Got paid today. It's the 20th. So we need $120 for $20. 26 weeks. I had it all mapped out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this week we're doing $2. I mean, it has to be done at some point. Alrighty then. May was done. Alright, it is June 20th, so we've done this, this, this. I paid for July's water. This was paid, 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 that went back down. Gas I have to pay. Alright, so and then Prime. On the 2nd, we have Amazon Prime. And that's like $16 or something. 15. I guess we paid June. So now we have to pay July. Okay. So with this paycheck, I will be paying the HOA, my IRA, the 1/2 the house, I will be paying water, which already, I don't think that's been out yet. I need to check on that. Water, Prime. Alright, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to have left from my check, see what I can stuff, if I can stuff anything else. It's going to be a tighter weekend because, you know, we like to shop. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, here is what I have settled on. Going to be real tight for the next 2 weeks, but I'm going to thank myself in the long run when I have all of this money saved. It's hard now, but it gets easier later. $135 for the wallet, $20 for save the date, $2 for 26 weeks, and cash stash. I want to put 5 into that coffee cup, which I'm using as Christmas. I want to put 15 into car repairs. And I want to put 10 towards vet bills because Mr. has expiring vaccinations, and I'm not putting him in this summer because I need to save that money. Because I went on vacation and then decided to redo my bathroom and put myself in debt, but whatever, it's fine. Everything is fine. So, my total cash that I will be getting out is $135 for the wallet, 20 plus 2 plus 5 plus 15 plus 10, $187. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and write all of this up onto my bank slip. Hundreds, we need 0. I need a 5, we need a 10 and a 5, and we need a 10. Okay, so 50s, we need 1 for $50. 20s, we need 3, 4 for 80. 10s, we need 1, 3 for 30. 5s, we need 1, 2, 4 for 20. And 1s, we need 5, 7 for 7. Oop, not 70. Not 70. Did I just throw it away again? No. For 7, let's total that, make sure that adds up to 187. 50 plus 80 plus 50 plus 7, 187. So in the morning, I will go and get this, and tomorrow I will meet you back here where we will stuff the cash. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye everyone.